Hey everyone, so today I am making a Kamaboko dip. In here we have 2 package of Kamaboko. This is a cream cheese. We have green onion chopped up finely. We have black pepper here. We have a tablespoon of sour cream and a tablespoon of mayonnaise. So I'm gonna mix all of this together. We don't need a salt because we have all the salt from these other ingredients in here. We're gonna mix this together and we'll show you the final product. Okay, so we are done mixing them. We're gonna go ahead and taste them together. What I have here is some potato chips. I have Ritz cracker and lettuce. I just put them on top and I'm gonna eat it and try it with you guys. Okay, so here we go. I had this prepared and I'm gonna try them with my lettuce. You can actually eat this with celery too. Real simple, guys. Kamaboko. I have my black pepper. I have a block of cream cheese, a tablespoon of sour cream, and a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and finely chopped green onions. So that's all we have in there, and it tastes really good. And I'm gonna try it with my Ritz cracker. This is a perfect pupus right here. Very simple. And by the way, guys, you guys don't need to put salt because we have all the salt from the mayonnaise, cream cheese, and the kamaboko. Kamaboko is the fish cake. Potato chips. This is good with corn chips too. I have 2 more here. But there you go, guys. Thank you so much for watching our tiny, weeny, short video on how to make Kamaboko dip. You guys can use this to any party if you guys want to prepare something quick and fast. That's the best one to make. Everybody will like it. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Aloha, salamat po. God bless. Bye.